Okay, what if we're trying to factor a trinomial where a is not 1 and it cannot be factored into b or c? Well, we're going to do something called the slip and slide method. It still involves the x game, but we're going to multiply the a times c to form our new c on the top. 3 times 2 is 6. We're still going to factor, so signs first. They both need to be positive. One needs to be 3, the other one needs to be 2. And then finally at the end, you want to divide both your factors by a. So we're going to slide a back in here. Divide both by 3. And now we can write this out. So when we write it, we want to take a, bring him down. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So this is x plus 1. And 2 divided by 3 does not simplify, so this is x plus 2 over 3. Okay, there's one more step to this, and this is to get rid of the 3. To get rid of the 3, you're going to look at the terms that you've got denominators for, and you're simply going to take that 3 and you're going to multiply it into that binomial. So this is actually going to become x plus 1, and then 3 times x is 3x, plus 2/3 times 3 is 2. So what happened here, an easy trick, is just take the denominator, move him up in front of your variable, and then keep your numerator. And you can do that every time. And so we're going to do one more, and we can kind of just see how it works. It's going to be a little bit easier to do. So I've got 15 as my a, and it can't go into 11 or -4. It's way too big. So we're going to do the x game again. 15 times -4 is -60. My 11 is my b. So one's positive and one is negative. And my positive's got to be 11 bigger than my negative. So what can I multiply to get 60? And they're going to be kind of far apart, 11 apart. So let's see, 3 times 20, but that's 17 apart. 15 and 4, 15 and 4, that's 11 apart. So my 15's got to be my positive. My 4's got to be my negative. 15 minus 4 is 11. Perfect, so it's going to work out. So now what do? I'm going to take my a, divide it to both my factors. 15 divided by 15 is 1. Now I'm going to rewrite it. My a is 15. He goes in the front. X plus 1. And x minus 4 over 15. Okay, so 15. 15's over here. We're going to move him up, keep the numerator. It says x plus 1. And then 15x minus 4.